I'm going to show you a way to play Because You Loved Me by Celine Dion so that you can sing along without needing to memorize hundreds of notes or read complicated sheet music. It's going to sound something a little like this.
You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me.
A special thank you for requesting this song. I'm going to teach you the chords to play where we group 3 notes in the right hand at a time, and because of that we only have to learn 4 parts to play the whole song. So let's start with the chorus. The first thing you're going to play is this D flat major chord. Now in the right hand I use my thumb, middle finger and pinky, and we hold that chord for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. To a G flat major chord I use thumb, middle finger, pinky again, or you can use your second finger in that middle note if you want. To a B flat minor 7, thumb, second finger, fourth finger. To an A flat sus4. Now you can use thumb, second finger and third, or thumb, middle finger and fourth, whatever's most comfortable for you. Now we go to a F minor 7, thumb, middle finger, pinky. To a G flat add 2, thumb, second, fourth finger. Now in the chorus we go to this B major chord, thumb, second finger, pinky, all black notes there. Then we go to a A flat sus4 chord again. Now for this part I like to use the thumb, second finger, pinky sometimes. Then we go to a D flat and finally back to that A flat sus4 that we've already played. Let's go through those chords again. D flat to the G flat. Now one thing to note, these are actually the same chords as the verses. So if you can learn this part, the chorus, you've already also learned the verses. Now in the verses they don't have this A flat major chord, so you can skip them for the verses. Then we go F minor 7, then G flat, and in the verses we don't have this B major chord either. In the verses you just stay on that G flat add 2 for 4 beats instead. And then, but after that we go to a A flat sus4, and in the chorus we finish on that D flat major chord. And if you're going to the second verse, play an A flat sus4. So that's already most of the song, but let's go on to the pre-choruses. There's 2 of them in this song, and they both start with a B6 chord like this. Now I usually use thumb, second finger and fourth finger, and from there I go to a B flat minor 7, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to an E flat minor 9, then G flat minor 7, thumb, middle finger, pinky, 2 more chords, A flat sus4, and just move the middle finger in the right hand to make that an A flat. Let's try that slowly with the timing. 1, 2, just for 2 counts, then to the B flat minor 7 for 2 counts, then E flat minor 9 for 4 counts, then G flat minor 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and A flat. This next part is for the bridge, a really dramatic moment. We've got the F over A to a B flat minor 7. Let's do those 2 chords again. Same rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got the E flat minor 9 like we just learned for the pre-chorus. An F minor 7 chord. One last chord. A flat sus4, which we've had in every section of the song. And that leads to another chorus. One thing that amazed me about this song is that it was written by a songwriter named Diane Warren. And if you know anything about her, she's responsible for writing so many hit songs. Some of them include If I Could Turn Back Time by Shea, Can't Fight the Moonlight, Leanne Rimes, I Will Get There, Boys to Men, Look Away by Chicago, Rhythm of the Night by DeBarge. I Don't Want to Miss a Thing by Aerosmith. Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now by Starship. It's crazy to me that all of those songs by all of those different artists were written by the same songwriter who wrote Because You Loved Me. But anyway, here's the final section, and this is for the very last chorus. And the reason why this chorus is different is because we have a key change, which means all of the notes move up, they move higher by 2 notes. So instead of playing A flat sus chord, we're going to start with a B flat sus 4 chord. Like so. So this is the first chord you play, then to the chorus, you were my strength, E flat, 2, 3, to an A flat major chord, 2, 3, 4, C minor 7, to a B flat sus 4, like we've just learnt, to a G minor 7, 2, then we go to A flat, add 2, to this D flat major 7. So just going back to the A flat, add 2, thumb, second finger, fourth finger, to jump straight to that believed D flat major 7 chord, back to B flat sus 4, because you love me, E flat. And we do those last 2 chords twice. I'm everything I am because you love me. And you can slow down the song when you sing that last part. So that's how to play all 4 parts to Because You Loved Me. If you want a better visual representation of the whole song, have a look at the cheat sheet in the description below.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best that was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed. I'm everything I am because you love me. You were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me, a light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration, through the lies you were the truth. My world is a better place because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed. I'm everything I am because you love me. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believed. I'm everything I am because you love me. I'm everything